Welcome in once more. We are going to be doing 2021 and 2022 tops. We're going to start off with our Bowman Blasters. 2021 Series 2 Bowman Blaster and Hanger. And then we'll move on to our 2021 update, Hanger and Blaster. And then we'll round it out with our newest release, 2021 Series 1 Hanger and Blaster. Welcome in. Give it about 6 seconds. If there's any team cards, so two people on one card, we're gonna do a dice roll. Say if the player on the left will get we'll get half the dice. So if I roll a 1, 2, or 3, the player on the left, that team will get it. If it's a 4, 5, or 6, the player on the right, that team will get it. If it's 3 teams, it'll get split. 1 and 2 gets left, 3 and 4 in the middle, 5 and 6 on the right. When we do go flip, it'll make a little bit more sense, and I'll explain it again then. All right, let me just make sure nobody else is in or wants to get in. And I think we are all set. All right, we're going to start off with our 2021 Series 2 Hanger Box. This is going to be 67 cards, 2 exclusive Royal Blue base parallel cards inside. Jazz Chisholm is going to be the biggest hit or the biggest rookie. Gold, 1 out of every 3. Hopefully we'll find a gold card. All right. Let's go ahead and open up the first Hanger Box. Nothing else in there. All right, it's just going to be one big stack of cards, 67 to be exact, or approximately, less if we get a big hit. All right, on top, we're going to start off with a Zach Birdie for the Chicago White Sox. Let's go ahead and get that. Tucker Davidson for the Atlanta Braves. Mark Mathias. Jojo Romero for the Phillies. Chris Davis for the Rangers. Brent Rooker for the Twins. Tanner Houck, followed by a Miguel Yalori, I think is how you pronounce it. Then we have a Yu Darvish for the Padres. Donovan Solano. Cole Hamels for the Braves. Brian Reynolds, one of the few good people left on the Pirates. Cole Calhoun. We're going to have a Detroit Tigers. Robbie Grossman right there. Corey Seager. Gary Sanchez for the Yankees. Indira Didi Gregorius. Carlos Martinez. Sandy Alcantara. Key Brian Hayes. That's a nice one. Nice rookie card. We'll get that sleeved up. Framber Valdez. Future Stars card of Dustin May. Daniel Baird. Ken Giles. We got Josh Naylor. Josh Lasurick. And we have a Daz Cameron Rainbow Foil. These are not numbered. Not numbered, but still a nice hit. We'll get that one sleeved up. Greg Maddux, 70s insert card. Getting these cards all sorted. Dane Dunning, insert rookie card. Casey Mize, insert rookie card again. Javi Baez. We got Joe Adele, rookie card. Francisco Lindor, insert card. Welcome in, guys. Welcome in. We got a Jose Altuve Royal Blue. This is also not going to be numbered. And another Royal Blue of Dalton Jeffries. The 2 Royal Blues. Dylan Batandis. Corey Dickerson. Jazz Chisholm. There's the man with the plan. Probably the best hit out of this series. Jazz Chisholm becoming the biggest rookie biggest name. Corbin Burns. Luis Alexander. Alex Avila. Garrett Crochet, reliever for the White Sox. Kyle Hendricks. Alec Dickerson. Dwight Smith Jr. CJ Crone. Victor Robles. Lance McCullers Jr. Billy Hamilton. Austin Barnes, catcher for the Dodgers. Future Stars card of Mike Rousseau. Pablo Lopez, pitcher for the Marlins. Then we got Josh Fleming, rookie card. Ben Gamel. And rounding out, Adolis Medina. Got a team card, shopping cart stuff for the Red Sox. Followed by a few landscapes cards. Antonio, Tom Hatch, Alex Kirilloff, another good rookie. Or not good rookie, but a rookie that we will sleeve up. Jeff Mathias, Carl Edwards Jr. Got Edwin Diaz. Gloves are hats for the Toronto Blue Jays. And Zach Plesac to round it out there. So let's get these taken care of. Get these on the screen. There is the Daz Cameron Rainbow Foil. Next up is going to be the Jazz Chisholm Rookie Base. And then we'll round it out with the Key Brian Hayes. Get that all taken care of as well. Not too bad for the first hanger box. We're going to be looking for these same guys in the blaster box. And let's go to that blaster box right now. (2021) Series 2. All right. So one of these packs is going to have the manufacturer relic. So first pack up, Mike Foster, JT Brubaker, Elvis Andrus, Zach McKinstry, got it upside down, Tahane Antone, Josh Lasirk, Tucker Barnhart, Tyler Glasnow for the Rays, and we got insert cards of Mark McGuire, Fernando Tatis Jr., Michael Brantley, AJ Puck, Wade Miley, and Matt Carpenter. All right, nothing too crazy in that first pack. Second pack up of this blaster box. Keegan Ayen, Jonathan Stryver, Zach Birdie, Tucker Davidson, Greg Holland, Zach Gallen, Future Stars card. Got Ryan Braun. Got Home Run Challenge, Juan Soto card right there. And we got out of 50, Luis Diaz. Luis Diaz out of 50. Wow, what a hit there. Rookie card, Luis Diaz, Miami Marlins with the hit there. Brody, nice hit there. Let's get that taken care of. Out of 50, rookie card 2, Luis Diaz. Oh, I'm sorry, out of 70. 25 out of 70. Dylan Carlson. Nick Ahmed, Stephen Piscotty. Congratulations, Miami Marlins. Brody right there. Let me see if I can go on eBay right now and see if there's any recent comps for this Luis Diaz out of 70, 2021. Top Series 2. Let me see if there's any sold. I think there's one on there for about 10, 12 bucks. I thought it was a bigger hit than that. Sorry for getting your hopes up. Usually a low number card of a rookie is pretty good. Yeah, out of 70, yeah, 10 to 20 bucks. Not the biggest hit, but also pretty good. All right, we'll keep on going. Third pack. Mark Mathias, Jojo Romero. Got Chris Davis, Brent Rooker, Trevor Rogers, nice rookie. Michael Pineda, Enoli Paredes, Anthony Rendon. 0 to 60 slugging percentage. Hey Amber, welcome in, welcome in. We're just getting through. We went through our first hanger box of Series 2, and we're in our first blaster box of Series 2 2021. We got Jacob deGrom insert card, Steven Strasburg, Washington Nationals there, DJ LeMahieu for the Yankees, Alec Mills, and Kendall Graveman for the Mariners. Let's go ahead and make sure nobody else wants to get in here. All right. So we have 4 packs left in our first blaster box, which will mark 1/3 of the way through after this box. Tanner Houck, Red Sox, rookie card for the Pirates there. Jose Marmoleos for the Mariners. Luis Campuzano. We got James Paxton, David Peralta, Chris Bassett, and we got a royal blue parallel. It's not going to be numbered, but nice hit for the Blue Jays there. And we got a Randy Arozarena Topps Chrome insert redo card. That's a nice one for the Tampa Bay Rays there. Randy Arozarena. And Cody Bellinger for the... I like his face there. Cody Bellinger for the Dodgers there. Brandon Lowe. Ryan McMahon, and we have a Tanner Roark to finish out that pack. All right, 3 packs left in our first blaster box. Still have not seen our relic, which should be coming up soon. Palvin Smith, Twins up the middle with Marwin Gonzalez right there. No longer on the team, but that card will be going to the Twins. Team card of the Cincinnati Reds. Team card of the Royals. Then Ozzie Albies. Orioles Nunez. Tommy Pham. Yasmani Grandal for the White Sox. Joey Bart, rookie card. Get that sleeved up. Alex Bregman for the Astros. CJ Cron. Victor Robles, Lance McCullers Jr., and then Billy Hamilton to round that one out. Let's get this Joey Bart taken care of, get it on the screen with all the other rookies. All right, that one's pretty thick, so that's probably going to have a relic. We'll save that one for last. All right, team card of the Cleveland Indians. Seattle Mariners. Boston Red Sox, 3 team cards in a row. Randall Gritchett, Cedric Mullins, Bubba Starling, Kenley Jansen, rookie card of Zach McKinstry, blue border, not numbered, but still a nice hit for the Dodgers there. Aaron Judge, 70 years at Topps, insert card there. Shohei Ohtani. Ben Gamel, Adolis Medina, Jeff McNeil starting to heat up, and Jemiah Jones for the Baltimore Orioles. All right, next pack up. This should have our manufactured hit in it. New York Mets. Got the Dodgers team card there. Brendan Rodgers. Excuse me. Sorry, I had to take a sip of water there. I'm getting a little parched. Alejandro Cook for the Toronto Blue Jays, catcher. Gregory Polanco. Shed Long, second baseman for the Mariners. Carlos Santana. Yanni Chirinos. Daniel Morris. And our manufactured hit is going to be a Ted Williams for the Boston Red Sox. Ted Williams. Congratulations, Boston Red Sox there. Bobby Dalbec Jr., rookie insert card for the Red Sox. Couple back-to-back Red Sox there. Austin Barnes. Future stars, Pablo Lopez, followed by Josh Fleming. Sorry. A little hard to speak there. All right, we'll move on to our next hanger box. We're going to be doing 6-7 cards out of 2021 update series. Let's go ahead and get this open. All right, in this hanger pack, oh, sorry about that. We'll go ahead and get this open very carefully. All right, in this pack, we got Michael Wacha to start us off, Brad Miller, Archie Bradley, got a New York Mets card right here of Kevin Pillar, Freddie Galvis, San Diego Padres, Drew Smiley, David Hale, Corey Knebel, got Martin Perez, pitcher for the Red Sox. We have a Cody Poteet for the Marlins, Ahmed Rosario, Keegan Thompson, Gregory Santos, Lance Lynn. We got a Brent Honeywell Jr. rookie card. The Flow and the Rays got me. Ronnie Garcia, Steve Cishek, Brian Garcia, Jordan Lupo, Khalil Lee, Adam Duvall, Andres Jimenez, rookie debut card of Luis Patino, Jose Quintana. Sorry, it's been a while since I've called that name. We got a Luke Jackson, Jimmy Lambert. There's the man with the plan, Jared Kelenic. Hopefully he can come back up and do big things. That's the biggest chase of this update pack. DJ Peters, rookie card. And we have another out of 50. Or we have out of 50, Jorge Guzman. Rookie card again. It's going to be a Mother's Day. Congratulations, Miami Marlins. Again with the huge hit. That is going to be out of 50, Jorge Guzman. Another hit there, and while we're doing that, we'll go ahead and take care of this Kelenic. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Amber, which team are you chasing? I hope they're somewhere up on the screen right here. Let me see. Make sure nobody else wants to try to get in here while we're... All right. Let's finish up with this stack. We have a Top Shelves Rainbow Foil. It's not going to be numbered. Still a nice card, though. Okay. Well, if you have the Miami Marlins, you've been getting the biggest hits here out of 70 and out of 50. Congratulations there. Top Shelf Catalyst, not numbered, rainbow foil there for the Red Sox. Joey Bart, and I'll get that sleeved up. And Greg Maddux insert card. So doing well, yeah, doing pretty well. I would say so, Amber. Nolan Arenado, redo card followed by Juan Soto. And Bo Bichette, one of my PC guys. I actually really like that picture right there. Key Brian Hayes, get that sleeved up. Ty France, sorry. Nick Maton. Then we have Chad Green. J.A. Happ. Will Vest, Seattle Mariners. Josh for the Arizona Diamondbacks. I don't want to butcher his last name. Andrew Benintendi for the Royals. Blake Snell. We got Seth Eldridge for the Red Sox. For the Cardinals there. Jed Lowry. Followed by Ashton Goudeau. Josh Grant. Shane McClanahan, rookie debut card. That's a nice one. Let's get these facing the right way. We got Elise Diaz, catcher for the Rockies there. Tyler Ivey, pitcher rookie card for the Astros. Merrill Kelly for the Arizona Diamondbacks. Tony Watson. Jake Cronenworth. We have Miles Straw. Cam Gallagher. These are all landscape cards at the end. We got the Red Sox. Garrett Whitlock right here with that one. Carlos Hernandez. We have our first flip that we'll do. Oops, sorry. And Taylor Rogers for the Minnesota Twins. St. Louis Cardinals. Kyle Gibson for the Rangers. And we'll finish it off with Jace Peterson for the Milwaukee Brewers. We're going to go ahead and take a little break. Make sure nobody else wants to get in here. Anyone that's trying to get in here can. Sleeve up some of these cards, and we'll move on to the next pack here in about 20 seconds. So we'll get this Key Brian Hayes taken care of. For you, Amber, there's the Pirates, Key Brian Hayes. And a Joey Bart as well. We also have the Yankees. I don't see any major hits with the Yankees up here, but the Yankees are always a good one to have. Let's go ahead and roll for this. Oh wait, that is all Rockies right there. All right, let me just make sure no one's trying to get in here. All right, I think we're good to move on. We're going to move on halfway point. We're going to be doing our blaster box next of Topps Update. Of course, Kelenic is going to be the biggest chase. And let's get to it. All right. First pack up of the second blaster box is going to be the Update blaster box. We're going to start off with Michael Taylor, Nate Pearson, Colton Wong, Andrew Vaughn, rookie card. That's a nice one for the White Sox. Get that sleeved up. John Lester, Carlos Rondon swirls no. Mitch Moreland, upside down out of 2021 gold card for the Padres. And it is going to be a rookie card of Jorge Ona. Not quite sure the biggest prospect, but a gold of a rookie card. Amber, you are getting all the hits. Congratulations there. Let's get that taken care of right away. Out of 2021, there's going to be a gold card. Right after I get it top loaded. Out of 2021 1,068. And for the San Diego Padres there. Great hit. Let's just put it right on top. Finish out this pack with Shohei insert card. Adam Frazier, Pittsburgh Pirates. Alex Kirilloff. Joe Adell. Drew Pomerantz. And Hakeem Soria. Let me get this Andrew Vaughn taken care of for the Chicago White Sox. Nice one there. All right, next pack of the update box. This feels thick. This might have the manufacturer patch in it, and I think it does. We got Trevor Larnach, rookie card, Kyle Farmer, Jose Urias, Michael Wacha, Brad Miller, Archie Bradley, rookie debut Spencer Howard for the Phillies. This is going to be a rainbow foil. And our manufacturer relic, this one's not going to be numbered. Our manufacturer relic is going to be a Paul Molitor for the Milwaukee Brewers. Paul Molitor. Followed by a Verlander insert card. Philadelphia Phillies. So there is the rainbow foil compared to the base. Cleveland Indians rookie combos. And there's your base version of the gold that you just got, Amber. Rookie card for the Padres. Williams Astudillo, who is now on the Marlins, but this card will be going to the Twins. All right, next pack up. JT Baracus. We got Zach Davies. Justin Williams. Leather Flashes. Duo dials up the D. Giovanni Gallegos. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Zach Wheeler. Austin Dean. For the Cardinals. We got Nick Gordon. And we have a Joe Adell, 70 years of Topps insert card. I think this is celebrating that design. Nice Joe Adell right there for the Angels. Joey Votto is going to round it up with another red. Vladimir Gutierrez. And Adam, followed by a Cleveland Indian and Joe Panic to round up that pack. All right, we have 4 more packs in this blaster box, and then we'll move on to 2022 release. Boston Red Sox, Martin Perez. Francisco Lindor. Jermaine Mercedes, who just got sent down. Rookie debut of Jared Kelenic. We'll take that. Dylan Tate. Lane Thomas. Ryan McKenna. Will Craig. Salvador Perez, All-Star Game. Ronald Acuna Jr., Dane Dunning, Steven Matz, Charlie Culberson, and Matt Harvey to round that one out. All right, next pack. Raul Ramirez, Spencer Turnbull, Chris Rodriguez, Tyler Naquin, Jose Teheran. We have Cole Tucker, Tyler Nevin, Christian Pache, rookie debut, Jonathan India, rookie of the year at second base, second year card there. Alec Boehm, nice coming rookie, starting to do big things. Sterling Sharp, rookie debut of Brady Singer for the Royals. Seth for the Cardinals, and to round out this pack, Jed Lowry for the A's. Go ahead and get the rookie debut. And our next pack. Corey Ray, followed by Yu Sheng. Rookie card of Bailey Ober, Mike Minor, Frankie Montas, Josh Bell, rookie debut of Dylan Carlson, and we have a Luis Garcia insert redo Topps Chrome card. Nice looking card there for the Washington Nationals. Boston Red Sox, Rafael Devers, Shane McClanahan, rookie debut. And nothing too exciting. Last pack of the update box, and then we'll move on to Series 1 of 2022. Daniel Vogelbach, Ha-Seong Kim, Luis Patino, rookie card, that's a nice one. Rookie debut of Andrew Vaughn, Brian O'Grady, Tyson Miller, Francisco Manaea. I like that picture of Yan Gomes with the Washington Nationals. All-Star Game card of Jacob deGrom. 70 years atop, your Mean Mercedes rookie card. Nice one for the Chicago White Sox there. Jared Kelenic insert card. So we've seen all three of them. And to round it out, Merrill Kelly. All right, let's get this Kelenic taken care of, and then we'll move on to our last few packs. Thanks for being here. I know time is precious, so I appreciate you spending it with me. Let's go ahead and go into our hanger box here. All right, on top, Tommy La Stella, Yasmani Grandal, Brandon Crawford, Edward Rodriguez, Archie Bradley, NL East Division Smiles, so we'll go ahead and roll for that one. Charlie Morton, Atlanta Braves, Gio Urshela, Edward Escobar, Kevin Pillar. We got Reed Detmers, no-hitter Reed Detmers. Got another card that we'll go ahead and roll for. Atlanta Braves team card, followed by the Washington Nationals team card. Lester Hernandez, Enrique Hernandez, Pavin Smith, Whit Merrifield, Bo Bichette, my PC card. That'll be one that we roll for. Excuse me while I grab the dice. Okay, Liftoff, Houston Astros. Harrison Bader, Jesus Luzardo, followed by a Trey Ambergerly. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Max Fried. Tim Anderson is going to be coming back healthy pretty soon. Let me go ahead and move this down for a better angle. Alex Reyes. Isaiah Kiner-Falefa. Pick your game, Salvador Perez. And we have an upside-down Buster Posey card. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be upside down. And we have the home field advantage card for the San Francisco Giants. These are hard to hit, but we have got one. Home field advantage cards for Buster Posey. Now, if I were to go look right now, let me see who got the San Francisco Giants. That is a nice hit there. Let's get that all taken care of. I have actually never pulled one of these home field advantage cards. They are super tough to get. Nice one there. Got Darryl Strawberry. Stars of MLB, Pete Alonso, Juan Soto, Byron Buxton, Javier Baez, 6 4-stars, Corey Seager and Trey Turner, Ryan Zimmerman, Corbin Burns, which is usually followed by the man with the plan, Wander Franco. There he is. Topps Wander Franco for the Rays there. Get that taken care of. Christian Yelich Jackson Coward, Shane Bieber, Kyle Seager, Yermin Mercedes, Johnny Cueto, Lucas Giolito, Chas McCormick for the Astros, Jose Iglesias, Marcus Stroman for the Mets, Lars Nootbaar for the Cardinals, Aaron Judge, Max Kepler, Cal Riley, Luis Robert, Mike Yastrzemski, Hanser Alberto, Patrick McKenzie, Pedro Severino, Chad Pinder, Jake Cousins, Christian Walker, Michael Confronto for the Mets, and Max Kragnick. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Clayton Kershaw, Jose Barrios, and Luke Williams to round out that one. So, pretty good hanger box. We got a Wander Franco out of it. We got a home field advantage card out of it, which is good. Both good hits. There's the Wander. We'll get that put on there, and let's do some dice roll now. So, if it's number 1 or 2, the Dodgers will get it. 3 and 4, the Nationals will get it. 5 and 6, the Phillies will get it. It is a 4, so that'll be the Washington Nationals. Let me go ahead and write that down. Next up, we have 1 and 2 would be the Astros. 3 and 4, the Astros. 5 and 6, Blue Jays. 5, so that would be the Blue Jays. All right, next up, we have Miami Marlins would be 1, 2, and 3. Mets, 4, 5, and 6. That is 2. That is going to Jazz and the Marlins. All right, last but final box. Actually, before we move on to this box, let me get the hanger box of 2021 and see what those odds of a home field advantage were. See if we can look together. Legendary home field advantage. Or home field advantage. That's just a regular home field advantage. One in 229 hanger boxes. Pretty good hit for the Giants there. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the blaster box. Last box of this break. I will be doing Bowman Mega boxes at 1 p.m. if anybody wants to join that. But thanks for joining, and let's see if we pull some last box magic here. All right, first off is going to be a few rolls. We're going to roll for those 2 team cards. Then we got Ben Gamel, Aroldis Chapman, Connor Wong, Freddie Freeman, Clint Frazier, Jackson Reitz, Kevin Pillar, Emmanuel Rivera, Jared Walsh for the Angels, Nelson Cruz, welcome to the show, Alex Bregman, and Mookie Betts, Stars of MLB. Next pack up, we got Christian Pache, Future Stars, Curtis Terry. We got 1 that we'll roll for, 2 that we'll roll for. Travis d'Arnaud, Rougned Odor, Josiah Gray, Jake Arrieta, Sammy Long, Jason Hayward, Joe Musgrove, Eugenio Suarez, Home Run Challenge of Wander Franco. We'll go ahead and get that sleeved up. And Juan Soto, Stars of MLB. There's that one. All right, we have a few more packs left. We got 5 packs left. New York Yankees team card. Didi Gregorius. Logan Gilbert, Future Stars card. Moving on. Colorado Rockies. We have Adam Frazier for the Padres. Liam Hendricks. Tommy Pham. Tom Murphy. Brendan Rodgers. Chris Archer. Gregory Soto. And a Roberto Clemente insert card, 35 years of Topps, followed by Rafael Devers, Stars of MLB. Next pack up, Arizona Diamondbacks. Tony Kemp. I like that picture of Tony Kemp reaching back for the snag. Jerry Kelnick, Future Stars card there. Slam Diego returns. Of course, San Diego right there. Miami Marlins, Anthony Bender. Jesse Winkler. Ty France. Matthew Boyd. Austin Meadows. Mike Brousseau. Jose Altuve. Steven Matz. Jose Ramirez. Topps Chrome. That's a nice one. Got the Chrome for the Cleveland Indians. And Bo Bichette. All right, next pack up, Garrett Crochet. We got Steven Brault. Max Fried. Framber Valdez. Ronald Acuna Jr. I like that picture. Asviel Garcia. Riley Adams. Jorge Soler. Yan Gomes. Corey Seager. Ian Happ. 6 4-stars, Willy Adames and Colton Wong, and Nolan Arenado, Stars of MLB. This one feels thick, so we'll save that one for last. That one probably has a relic in it. Next pack up, second to last pack, John Gant, Adam Duvall, Zach Greinke, Ivan Castillo, Ahmed Rosario, J.D. Martinez, Juan Segura, Jake Myers, rookie card, Wade Miley, Mauricio Dubon, Carlos Rondon, Jorge Mateo, Kyle Ripken Jr., and Ronald Acuna Jr. Yes. All right, let's go ahead and roll for this. 1 and 2 would be the Brewers, and you know the rest. That would be 4, so that would be the Dodgers. Here, this is going to be the Braves card. Braves followed by the Blue Jays. And the last card will flip for 1, 2, 3, 4. So that'll be the White Sox. All right, last and final pack. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for the people sticking in here. Amber, I appreciate you watching the entire time. All your hits we'll review after. I feel like they're mostly all yours. We'll review after this pack. Tim Anderson, Alex Reyes, Isaiah Kiner-Falefa, Jonah Heim, Anderson. Andrelton Simmons. Sorry, I always get that hard mixed up. Austin Riley, Ronnie Johnson, rookie card. Brian Anderson, Alek Manoah, Future Stars card. Travis Shaw, Tony, butchering that name. All right, the Red Sox or the Reds there. Got Devin Williams, border card. It's not going to be numbered, and our hit is going to be a Mike Trout manufacturer relic for the Los Angeles Angels, and Jacob deGrom would round that out. So that is a pretty good. Here are our relics. Our 3 relics are going to be Ted Williams for the Red Sox, Paul Molitor for the Brewers, and Mike Trout for the Angels. Now going through some more cards. Let's just pick all these up. All right. Some of the bigger hits. We have out of 50 for the Marlins. Guzman, rookie card pitcher out of 50, Mother's Day parallel. Got Joey Bart, insert card, just a rookie. We got Ke'Bryan Hayes, rookie insert card. We got Wander Franco, home run challenge, pick the game. And we have his Wander rookie card base tops. Joey Votto, insert rookie card. Home field advantage, pretty great hit right there for the San Francisco Giants. Definitely earned the break back there. Out of 2021, we got Jorge Ona, I think, out of 2021. Number card gold right there. Ke'Bryan Hayes, tops base. We got Daz Cameron, rainbow foil, not numbered. Jared Kelenic, insert card. Jared Kelenic, rookie debut. Andrew Vaughn, tops base. We got base of Jazz, the base of Jared Kelenic. And Luis Diaz, out of 70 for the Marlins once more. Congratulations for all the hits. Thank you for joining. Thanks, Amber, for being here. Keeps me a little bit more engaged when someone's watching, so I appreciate it. Join us back at 1 or in about 15-20 minutes if you want to see Bowman Mega Boxes ripped. I'll get this all shipped out to you guys today. You should see shipping labels printed and movement this afternoon. Thanks, guys. See you then. Bye.